Hello guys, this is the next question in the series of previous year questions UGC NET Economics Microeconomics, I must say, June 2004 paper 3, sorry, June 2014 paper 3. Okay, in this question we have to calculate consumer surplus for these two, for these demand function and supply function. So it can be done in three simple steps. Step number one, put x is equal to 0 in the demand function. And this is a demand function. PD is equal to 30 minus 5 into 0, it gives us 30. Now step 2, calculate equilibrium quantity and price by equating these two functions. So 30 minus 5x equals to 3x minus 10. If we solve it, what do we get? We will get x is equal to 5, and now by putting x is equal to 5 in any of these equations, in either of these equations, these functions, either demand curve or supply curve. So let's put it in supply curve. We get P is equal to, this is equilibrium price, so I write subscript E, 3 into 5, basically 3 multiplied by 5 minus 10, it gives us again 5. So both quantity, equilibrium quantity and equilibrium price are the same. In fact, by chance they have appeared as same. But then now next, the third step is the last final step, consumer surplus. It is basically, we can the formula is basically, this is half equilibrium quantity and multiplied it by the difference of the price which we have got by putting x is equal to 0 in this demand function. Let's call it P0 minus PE. So this is half multiplied by 5, and this is 30 minus 5. So if we solve it, we get half multiplied by, this will be 125, and finally we get 62.5 is your correct answer. This is your answer. Thank you for watching. Bye. For more details, please subscribe my channel so that you get notification on my upcoming videos, and the detailed explanation of this consumer surplus calculation I'll give in my next video. So please do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.